But when we come down to different technologies and what I could see with CDEC coming in virtual reality, I think we have really reached a mile ahead. Something which India can be proud of, something which we Indians can be proud of. And I would request CDEC to look at opportunity of creating similar labs, a scenario where every state, the CDEC team has to start talking to the state governments, trying to evolve these ideas state-wise, because every state has its own demographic. Every state has its own way of thinking, and every state needs to build. How can we do that? That can be only on a collaborative method. That can be only on a cooperative method. And to take things ahead, we need to team up. Proudly say, or I can maybe announce, that we will surely consider taking this opportunity in every college of Goa, a concept where our children will be groomed for futuristic approach. Children will get exposed to a lot of more opportunities as they take on new things in the world.
All unorganized sectors, the agriculture sector, we have a lot of data. The water is not used well, fertility is not used well. We'll have to map it nicely that it will be very useful for the farmers. It's not only for education, for the farmers. And finally, in fact, our new campus will come in Kankolin within 3 years. We are going to have a library, it's called as Knowledge Center, which is completely bookless library.